Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be making a Subway sandwich pendant from a clay I made at home. I first begin by making the bread by rolling out a long thick piece of clay and adding texture with a clay brush tool. I then make slices in the bread with a clay knife tool. I then add color to the bread with some chalk pastel using mustard, brown and oranges shades. To make the tomatoes, I roll flat a piece of red clay and cut rings like so. I then use a lighter red color and a silicone tool to add detail within the rings. To make the lettuce, I roll flat a snake of green clay and roughly cut off the edges. I then bend it in a zigzag way to give it a leafy effect. I then cut the dried bread in half and add in the leaves. For the salami, I roll flat some light pink clay and cut out circles. I then fold it and place it on top of the leaves. To make the cheese slices, I cut out small squares from a flattened piece of yellow clay and stick it on top of the salami. I now take the tomatoes and stick this on top too. For the onions, I take a layer of purplish pink and white on top and cut strips, which I then roll into rings. I stick this on top too. I then repeat the leaf step and add this on as a top layer. After all this is dry, attach the hardware and make the pendant. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more such content.